So what's up guys? Yesterday on the live stream we came up with a little challenge, and the challenge is pretty basic. It's just not using your mouse. And the cool thing about not using your mouse is the keyboard is completely documentable. So basically you have a string of hotkeys, so you don't even have to save the file. All you need is this Blender cheat code basically, and anyone can copy it. So I see two pretty cool things about this challenge. One is people can use the same cheat code and just be the fastest, so it can be like a high score breaking challenge. So I'm going to show you my code that I came up in a second, and you can maybe try it and just try to do it as fast as possible, and maybe comment below how fast you were able to do it, because I think if you practice you can get very fast at it. I'm not that fast yet. And also the second cool part about this challenge is I think people can come up with these codes that really create crazy stuff like actual models and maybe even renderings. I'm not sure how to control the nodes yet completely from a keyboard, but I bet everything will work. And yeah, you can just copy it and save it as this cheat code. Maybe also comment that below. And maybe I can make a video on all the cheat codes you guys came up with. And then from there on also have some time challenges, and maybe even on a live video, like 10 people can compete, like whoever can put in the cheat code the fastest. So just like a Blender hotkey sprint. So that's the idea. So let's jump into my try of my first cheat code challenge. So first we're going to go to default and load the factory settings. I created my cheat code already, so I will present it right now. Text editor, new, here it is. So I haven't touched anything else except my text editor, and now I will not touch the mouse anymore and start typing in my cheat code. So, Control I, X, enter, A, tab, M, enter, T, escape, G, Z, 2, enter, A, G, escape, G, Y, 2, enter, A, E, escape, E, X, 2, enter, A, G, X, -1, enter, G, Y, -1, enter, G, Z, -1, enter, tab. Done. So that's it guys, I hope you had fun watching this. I hope you can come up with your own cool codes. I hope you're gonna have fun maybe breaking some records against each other, so competing against each other. Just comment your high score times below for this challenge maybe. And also I think it would be so cool if this challenge could really spread throughout the Blender community. So if you want to share it with your friends and compete with your friends, of course do that. I'm actually just really excited about how crazy some of you guys are, and we'll come up with these crazy codes that maybe are like a page long and just create crazy stuff without using the mouse. Of course, you can use the arrow keys in this challenge, but I try to not use them. I think arrow keys maybe are cheating, so there's no real rules yet for this challenge. So maybe we have to find out on the way what the real rules are for this challenge. But I guess you can just stay free at the moment. Just try to come up with some great stuff. Yeah, just see what you guys come up with. So yeah, that's it for today. Quick little video. I thought this is a fun thing I should throw out into the world. So yeah, have fun. Yeah, that's it. Goodbye.